Oh, what a day to be alive. What a dream to have a heartbeat.
Happy birthday,
What a way
Candice!
to spend my time.
Grabe, ang
walking
bilis
on
nung
this
panahon.
satellite.
Dati, inaantay ka lang namin for 7 years. Now,
Everything I need
you're celebrating your 7th birthday. So, I'm happy that you're growing.
Happy birthday, Candice! Bilis talaga ng panahon, nak. 7 years old ka na.
for free.
Wish ko sa'yo sana mag-enjoy ka pa rin sa buhay. Maraming travel together with mommy. Saka, bawas-bawasan mo na yung magiging makulit mo. Nung first birthday mo, sabi ko okay lang eh. Pero ngayon, bawas-bawasan mo naman ha.
Come and let it rescue me, 'cause all I need is love, 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 love. I want the sunshine on my skin. I got myself packed in a suitcase.
Hello, Andy. Happy birthday.
I want my spirit lifted high. I wanna
mag-aral ka
live up
mabuti.
amongst the stars.
Para maging successful ka sa iyong pag-aaral. Yan lang. Happy 7th birthday, Candice.
Happy birthday, Andy! Lolo loves you too much.
Hello, my dear Andy. You're now 7 years old. Wishing you the best 7th birthday ever. Continue to be a good and obedient girl. Sleep over with Mama always, okay? I'll see you later. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Come and let it rescue me, 'cause all I need is love, love, love.
Happy birthday, Andy!
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, rescue me, 'cause all I need is
I'm so happy na nag-7 na siya kasi previously, nung last quarter niya sa school, nag-honor siya. So, sobrang happy namin kasi unexpected lang. So, for us, achievement siya kasi on her own, nagagawa niya mag-excel sa studies niya. So, yun yung isa sa mga nakakatuwang part for Andy, turning 7.